Hi everyone, my name is Rishabh Yogi and welcome back to another video tutorial of how to set up or install a Bagisto mobile app. This open source e-commerce mobile app seamlessly transforms your Bagisto store into a powerful mobile platform, providing a real time of synchronization to the products and the categories, and it will provide a user-friendly interface. So directly moving for the setup. So this is our official repository presented over here by the name of open source e-commerce mobile app. So firstly, going below, these are all the setups and installation guide mentioned right below it. So this is the installation guide. Firstly, make sure you have all the dependencies installed, like we have mentioned over here also, like Bagisto version for the 2.0, and if you are using for the Android, you have to set up Android Studio version Flamingo, Flutter version 3.10.1, and for the Mac you can use it as well. So firstly, take a clone of this repo. You can directly clicking onto this part, copy this code and place it like in the directory which you want. Right now we are installing it in the www HTML folder. Now paste that URL and cloning is getting started. After cloning will be done, as you can see, this is get installed. Now we need to open that in the Android Studio. Open it. The Android Studio getting started. Take a time to get the load. It is still in the progress. Building. Now close the files. Now firstly we need to open an emulator. So this is the emulator we are using. You can use it like a physical device, but we are using emulator, and this is the emulator we are using it over here. And now our second step is to paste the URL. Like for the setup, you have to go into that lib folder. Inside that there is a folder by the name of utils, and inside that there is one file presented over there, that is server configuration.dart. So there is a lib folder, that there is a utils, and the file is server configuration.dart. So this file is important for us. Like there is a one variable constant presented over here by the name of string baseUrl, and we have to paste our URL over here. So we are using right now the demo URL. You can use it according to your domain. Copy this. Now paste it over here inside the string and write GraphQL, because our mobile app is built on GraphQL. So now after that we need to hit few commands in the same directory. So the commands are mentioned here also. You can directly copy it from here. Flutter pubget, you can copy it from here and paste it over here. This command helps to install the dependencies of the application. So now you need to hit one more command, that is flutter pub run build runner build. It will helps to install the required files of the application. Again in the same directory. It will took around 2-3 minutes to run that, because we are using and installing it for the first time. Make sure all your other software will be closed to increase the speed. it is in the processing. Actions are going on. See, it is installed. Now we need to run this build. So clicking onto this button, run main.dart. It will help to install the application. It will give some warnings, so don't you get worried about that. But these are just the warnings. There is no error in this. It is in the processing. You can check it over here also, like it is going on, assembling and debugging. Still running. Till we can fix it to the float, so we can manage it at anywhere. It is still running. The app is recompiling. Right now we are installing the app in the Android. Different process will be there for the Mac, and the same steps will be written over here. Like I will show you for setup. Like for the Android you can use this, for iOS you can go through this. So we have mentioned over here as well. So now the app is installing. Just a second, might be there is some error. If the error will come, you can again run this. Sometimes it will not get connected to the server, so it will throw and not able to get installed. Again we are running it by clicking the same button. Now see, automatically the screen got changed because our app is getting installed now. After that, the first screen which will get visible, that is a splash screen. You can change that splash screen according to your requirements. I will tell you the path from where you can change that. Now it will syncing the files to the device according to the phone. See, the app is getting installed. As you can see over here, image which get reloaded. Let's give it some time. See, the images will get load automatically. So you can check it over here. This is the home page of our app. You can check a product detail page. These are the APIs running behind this. This is the product detail page. Now, like if we want to change the theme color according to the dark one, so we provide the default, that is white and black. So right now I'm showing you how to change the dark mode. You can simply go into the settings, clicking on the settings part. There is option of display. Go into the display part. There is option by the name of dark theme. You can check it over here as well. Enable it, and automatically the theme color of the app will get changed with the black color. As you can see over here. Done. Now again we are changing it to white. See, it will automatically again get it to white, but sometimes you want a different color, so that change will we have to done from the code part. So we have mentioned over here that theme, you can go to this path. Inside the lib folder there is a folder by the name of utils, and inside that folder there is a file presented over there by the name of mobicool theme.dart. So again we are following the path. Inside the lib there is a folder by the name of utils, and there is a one file presented over there by the name of mobicool theme.dart. This file. All right, and you can see there is a primary color option. Like if you want to change it, wait, it is like if you want to change it to blue, it will give a lot of options there. Select any one of those, and after making changes you can go to the same button and run this. it will again setting it up and syncing the files to device according to the phone. This is running. You can check the progress over here. Like after any change you can make, you have to click onto this button to run the application again. If it gives this kind of error again, you will rerun the application. It is still in processing. It is running. It is again installing with a new color, as we have changed it to the light blue. So the primary color will change it to the light blue. Give it 2-3 minutes more. The app again getting started. It will give an error. Again, we need to rerun it. So, this is due to some connection lost or while running or installing an application. If you face these kind of issues, you can again rerun the app. See, this time this is running. Binding to location service and setting it up with the different dependencies. I think this will work now. Again the app is launching, and now a color get changed according to this. So now we are moving to the next feature, that is like if you want to change the title. So for that, the title there is like app title, which is showing by the name of Bagisto Laravel app right now. See, if you want to change the title name, you can again, we have different folders and path for that, which we mentioned over here on the app title, this. So follow this path, Android, inside that there is a folder by the name of app, then src, then main, and inside that main folder there is a one file presented by the name of android manifest.xml. So go inside this android, then app, then src, then main, then android manifest.xml. So this file is important for us right now. I'm closing this, and there is a tag presented over there of our application, and inside that there is a label. You can change the label accordingly. Like right now I'm changing it to the store app. Done. Now I'm closing this, and again after any changes, go to this button and run the application. Again restarting an application with a different name now. Okay, and I'm checking the emulator. This is the issue of the emulator. We are again starting it up now, connecting it again, running the build, again launching it and installing it. This is going on. Running. You can check it over here. Build is again installing, as we have changed the name by the name of store app now. Let's see the changes has been done or not. Again running because issue with that APK. We need to rerun it again and again till the app didn't get installed properly, because we made a changes that make impact to the whole app. So that's why the build got failed. Again we are rerunning it. Again this is get compiling. Installing it again. See, the screen got changed now. I think this will work according to the new app title name. Syncing the files in the phone. App get installed, and this is the previous changes which we have done. Now check the app title now. Go to that. As you can see, our app title get changed. By the store app. See, you can change the app title like this. Now we are going for the last one, that is push notifications. For that, like notifications from the app that came. So how can we manage that? So these kind of notifications from the app, for that you just need to log in with your admin panel of Bagisto. So whatever domain you are using to run the build, use that same domain only. Like we have used this, as I have already opened it over here, the same domain. This is the dashboard of Bagisto. go inside the settings part. Inside this there is one sub menu presented over there by the name of push notification. Click onto that. You will able to see all the notifications which we created are presented over here. You can also add a new notification according to your requirements. Like if you want to add a new notification, that is what is the title, you can enable the status, what is the category type, what is the content which go inside that notification. So you can manage it from here. After you can save it. Right now we are using with the same notification which is already created. You can go into that actions edit part, and there is a one button presented over there by the name of send notification. You can simply click onto that and you can check. Sometimes it will get time. You can again resend it. We are checking with the different one, move menu collection. See, the notification is came successfully. You can check it over here. This one. So by this you can install and set up your mobile applications. So that's all for this. Thank you, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video.